So let's check for this option here for 4, 1 and S. So now what will happen in 4, 1 S? So let's start, like I can erase all this here. Okay. And let's draw a fresh graph here. So it will be here. Okay. Now let's suppose, so for our option 1 it says 4, it means the proton has a velocity of 2 E naught by B naught in the x direction. So let's draw this. So here's the velocity here, okay? And what is 1? It is E naught in the Z. Okay, so E naught is in the this direction. So it wants to, this particle which is present here, so it needs to be coming here, okay, with the acceleration obviously. And due to this V, what will happen here? Let's see the magnetic field path. It is S. So it means B naught in the Z direction. So it is in the 4, 1 and S. So yeah. So we can see that B here is perpendicular to the velocity. So I have just discussed that it is only possible, like the B will do the circular motion only when it is perpendicular to the velocity. So what will happen here? If you see, this is the B here, like V cross B we have to do. So if this is V here, and if I do the cross here, so the like the direction of the rotation will be in the downward direction. So what will the circular motion that will do due to the in the presence of B? It will be like this, okay? And also as there is an acceleration, so this particle will move like this, moving ahead in the path. And this is what we call as helical motion. So I have shown you clearly that this is the only helical motion possible. So we can mark our option A as this is a single correct option. So we do not need to see all of the options here. Like in the previous question, it was obviously like the DS option was the answer. So we have to check all of them. Now for looking for the question 15, in which case would the particle move in a straight line along the negative direction of the y-axis? Okay, so in the straight line along the negative direction of y. I think we have found it earlier. So like let's solve it again also. Option A is given as 2, 3 and Q. What is 2? It is this, 3 is this, and this is Q here. Okay, so X and V here. So I think we have shown this, like what will happen here. It will just move in the negative x direction with a constant acceleration, because like B will not act as any force here, as particle was initially at the velocity of 0. The only force acting here will be the Coulombic force, which will lead the particle in the negative x direction. Hence, this option is incorrect. Moving on to our option B, that is 3, 2 and R. What is 3 here? Like let me denote all the markings here, because every time I have to mark here. What is 3, 2 and R? What is 3 here? Again, it is no velocity. What is 2? It is E naught in the negative y direction. What is R here? It is no. So yeah, like I think we have found our answer. So let me show you how. If you draw a graph like this, okay, particle was initially with the like no velocity here. Where is E acting? E is acting in the minus y direction. Where is B acting? It is in the positive y direction. So there is no chance that we can put any force as the particle is not moving perpendicular to the force. So it will definitely move in the like y direction. So hence what we get our answer as option B here. So this is our final answer. Let me write all the answers once again. 13 we have got D, 14 we have got as A, and for the 15 we have got as B here. Thank you everyone.